As part of its study tour to the state, the faculty of the Naval War College Nigeria has visited some developmental projects attracted by the state government. The first port of call was 24-hour service center Stanel Ward, Oka, where the team had a first eye view of a center made possible by the security initiatives of the present government, which provides a conducive environment for businesses to thrive. The team, led by the commandant of the college, Rear Admiral Thaddeus Udofia, observed that the project has provided over 1,500 direct and indirect job opportunities. While welcoming the faculty of the college, the Chief Executive Officer Stanel Group, Mr. Stanley Ugochukwu, stated that the 24-hour service center, which is the first of its kind in the state, was made possible by the viral synergy of security agencies. He noted that he was attracted to the state by the clear resolve shown by the state government to provide a conducive environment for businesses in the state. He disclosed that the business is already achieving in few months what it would take years to achieve in any other state.
This Stanel Group, it's an oil and gas company, has subsidiaries and is an oil and gas company. And in the oil and gas sector, what you see here today, we have a 24-hour filling station here that runs 24 hours. We also procured the franchise for Chicken Republic for the whole Southeast. And today we have built the best Chicken Republic nationwide, and is a drive-through.
Ugochukwu called on other investors and the Anambra in diaspora to key into the Akuluono initiative of the Willie Obiano-led administration, saying that the best time to invest in the state is now. A souvenir was later presented to the Stanel Group boss by the commandant of the Naval War College Nigeria, Rear Admiral Udofia. In Oka, I am David Obokwase reporting for ABS News.